Okay, so sometimes when I'm on vacation, I like to go on the road since we are in the mountainous area in the New World, and so I have my Magical Minivan and I live in it. And I've rigged it up and it's very beautiful. There's not a lot of space in there, but somehow I made it work. So come on in. I want to show you my special Magical Minivan tour. So as you can see here, it's not very big. We like to have this curtain to give us some privacy and some shade. But we did manage to fit a few things in here. We did want to have, I did manage to fit a bathtub. We were able to fit in a little bedroom in the back there. But mainly, you know, we use this area here. You can see I had to have space for my piano, so I just managed to fit it in. We did have to work around the van speakers though. So anyway, this is our mostly used space because we can sleep on the couch, and this is it's a multi-purpose. This is a multi-purpose space that we can use for all different kinds of things here. So this, as you can see, is like a little table, but it also rolls over. It has wheels, so it rolls to become the bench for the piano. And then also, I use this as my office, so I had to have room for my spinning wheel too. So here's my office. It's an open up top desk, and I can just put that right here, and I can work right here. It works out really well. And then we can also sleep on these couches, and I use them as guest beds. And as you see, we didn't have a lot of room, but we were able to put in a full kitchen with a full stove and a dishwasher and a coffee maker and all that stuff. And then the one seat swivels around so that it can all fit at the table if we want to. And then we also have like a magical glamour up, so you can't see the front windshields on the inside of the van. It just looks like a house, but you know, when we turn that off and drive, that's a regular front of the van. It really isn't much. Oops! It really isn't much, but we were able to somehow get this to all fit in the van. I also like my big window over there so that when I wash dishes, I can look out the window. So yes, it works for us, and when I want to go camping or whatever, I can. And you know, when I feel like I need to play the piano, I can do that, and it's good. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's not much. You can see it's just my humble minivan, but when I want to get away and get out in nature and go camping, I really enjoyed it. It's quite cozy and kind of small, but there's enough room for me. And so thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week we will continue our Astounding Arts and Crafty Crafts class. I'll see you there.